Okay, I'm gonna put down camping, guys.
Good. Milky Way is going to be right. We're going to have to camp through. We're going to have to backpack through. We'll just take your camera, and then just you and I will just like, we'll go up.
Good, right?
It'll be easier. We can like cover that ground like so fast. Like we can just.
But we have to be there for 1 or 2 hours.
That's fine. Anyway, as long as we know that this is the spot to come back to, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God.
But let's put up our tents right here.
Alright. I think this is what we came here for. So holy shit. Whew. Shit.
Oh my God.
Ooh.
The lake's down below, I see it.
Let's go. Snowmass Lake. Let me explain. Come over here. So we came all the way down there. We walked for like 4 miles, right? Right. And oh yeah, and right here. The reason we had to go all the way up here is that one right there. It's called
Sleeping Sexton.
The Sleeping Sexton. The Milky Way gonna be up here around 9:30, 9:25, right at south 95 degrees. So if we down there, we cannot catch it. But now we're up here. Here, see? This is Andrew. Yeah.
What's up, guys?
We still got a long way to go, but yeah, it's much better than when we was going up.
Start the day with a beautiful day, and we filled up with mì gói, ramen noodle, assemble the cookware. This is a few things. Now we have to assemble the stove, put the stove top on, and then the cooking pan, and then we use the water from the river. Now we turn it on. There, it started. And this jet boiler is awesome. It boils really, really fast. This is my final product. This will give me energy to hike all day today. Back to the car.